All right, here we go with example 9, babies. Marketing success, magic. Your company is launching 2 new products on the market. The marketing department says that there is a 70% chance that product A will succeed, a 62% chance that product B will succeed, and a 96% chance at least one will succeed. What is the probability that? All right, so again, just like on the last problem we did, we have product A and product B. We have a percentage that this one will succeed, a percentage that this one will succeed. So this is a perfect setup for a Venn diagram. So I am going to draw my Venn diagram. I've got event A, I've got event B, or sorry, product A and product B. All right, so the department says there's a 70% chance that product A will succeed. Well, that's going to be this whole circle right here. You know what? Let's switch colors. It might make it a little easier to get your bearings here. All right, so product A is 0.7. That's this whole circle. Product B, its whole circle, is 0.62. Now, you have to be careful with this because I can't make the assumption that 0.7 is just this right here and that 0.62 is just this right here. 0.62 and 0.7 include this overlap right here. So you have to be careful with that. All right, so dang it, I knew that was going to happen. I don't know why I'm not always prepared for that. Oh, and that's just lovely. I'm out of control. A little better. All right, babies. So let's look at the other piece of information we're given. We're told there's a 96% chance at least one will succeed. Okay, we need to talk about at least one. Well, at least one means that A will be successful, or product B will be successful, or both of them will be successful. So A or B or both will be successful. So the or is the 0.96. That's what that at least one will succeed tells me. Okay, so now we need to figure some stuff out. How are we going to do this? Well, I know that each of these values adds to give me 0.96. But what a lot of students want to do, they want to add 0.7 and 0.62 and call it good. Let me show you what happens. When you add these two values, you get 1.32. Right away, you should recognize the problem because probability can't be more than 1. You know why there's overlap? Or you know why it's more than 1? Because of the overlap right here. Well, how do I figure out what that is, Miss Griggs? Well, I've got the answer. You take the 1.32 and you subtract 0.96 from it, and you will get the overlap. All right, so that goes right there. And then I can easily find this blank by subtracting 0.36 from 7. So that gives me 0.34. All right. And then I can easily find this blank because I just subtract 0.36 from 0.62, which gives me 0.26. Make sure I added that correctly. All right, so once I've got the Venn diagram filled in, then I can answer my questions. So both products will succeed. Well, both is that overlap right there. Neither product will succeed. Well, remember, this blank plus this blank plus this blank equals this, and then plus something is equal to 1, and that something is neither 1. So if I want the probability neither will succeed, I've just got to subtract 0.96 from 1, and I get 0.04. All right, C, only product A will succeed. Well, I already found that. It's 0.34. So 0.7 minus 0.36 equals 0.34. Magical. I know. Don't get too excited. But Venn diagrams are pretty neat. Some of you are actually going to really love them. All right, so if you understand this, you can cut this video off, you're done. If you are still a little confused about this idea over here, I'm going to try to explain it to you algebraically. All right? Okay, so in this circle A, I have two values added together, right? I already know 0.34. All right, so I've got two values, x plus y, let's say. So I'm calling this x and this y. So x plus y, that gives me my 70%, right? That's what that whole circle consists of. All right, well, when I look at my other circle, when I look at B, I also have a blank. Okay, this blank right here, let's call it Z, but I'm also adding that Y again. Do you see that? Okay, that Y is overlap. That is why when I add these two together and get this number of 1.32, what I'm essentially doing is taking x plus y plus z. See, the y's getting counted twice. That's why we have overlap. That is why subtracting the 0.96 from this will give me this overlap here in the middle, because 0.96 consists of the x blank plus the y blank plus the z blank without the overlap. So see, this right here is overlap. So hopefully that helps you understand it. Sometimes an algebraic picture helps a little bit. So if not, ask me some questions. We can get this clarified.